Welcome back, guys. Everyone knows Defenders are loved by thieving scum, so we do what we can to try and protect our pride and joys. And today's video I wanted to show you the Optimill removable steering wheel boss. It's a very clever little security device that helps keep scum at bay. So first of all, what is it? Ultimately, it lets you remove the steering wheel. You've got these two little bits here. You click them like that, steering wheel comes off. You're then left with this as well. Now, obviously that's a great thing, the fact that you can take your steering wheel off, but you don't really want to be that guy walking around town with your steering wheel. And also, that's a little bit big for your wife's handbag. She's not going to be best pleased having that in her shoulder bag. So you'd have to leave it in the car. If you do that, then what do you do? It's only a matter of time, scum will find it, and then they'll reattach it, and then they'll drive off with your car. This is where the Optimill Swivel Lock comes in. Put that over there. Now this is a very clever little thing. As you can see, it's got the holes there that line up to the holes on your actual boss there. It's a bit of a pain because you have to try and match it up, but once it is matched up, you can then, no, that's not it. This, honestly, the wife loves me for this. I'm sitting here in a car park trying to get it on. No, not again. There we go. So when it's on, look, you spin it round, and the steering wheel actually, you know, the whole mechanism doesn't work. Then you see, you do that, the actual wheels aren't spinning round. So that completely protects your car from being driven off. In addition, you can get the pedal locks as well if you really want to do that. I think it's probably a bit excessive. That is fine. A little tip, if you do put these on, just make sure your wheels are at an angle like that, because then worst case, if scum do try and drive off with your car by towing it, then it's going to be very difficult for them to do that if they're pulling it from the rear. Also, another one, leave it in gear as well. If it's in gear, that's going to make life very difficult for them when they're trying to tow it away. So yeah, when you've done that, when you get back to your car, you literally just pop this in here, spin it around, that comes off. You can pop that back in your glove compartment or wherever you want to do it. That then locks back on there. Just a little tip, when it goes back on, you'll see obviously they click in, but give it, watch this, watch those bits move in when you twist it a little bit. See, that then just gives you that extra reassurance that your steering wheel is completely on and isn't going to fly off halfway down a motorway. So I definitely recommend getting a Optimill removable steering wheel boss. For me, it's a no-brainer really. It's just that added little bit of security in addition to everything else that you do need to keep your Defender sitting on your drive. So again, you can just pop it off like that, and there you go, instant security. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please consider subscribing, hit the thumbs up, drop a comment, let me know what type of security devices you got on your Defender to keep it safe, and I'll see you soon.